What's up, everybody? This is the Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about making your own QR codes. You got a piece of information, you need someone to go to a certain address, you don't want them to click on a link that might or might not work, it doesn't matter. Maybe you have a PowerPoint presentation, you want someone to be able to pull something or link to this or that. Do they have a phone? It's foolproof. If you've been liking the content, hit that can't stop won't stop kitty on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. That's how we get them in all those fancy threads. Jumping right on in. We've got our link right here. We need someone to go to this. This works in any other Office application, Word, PowerPoint, it doesn't matter. You take this and we want to make it into a QR code, so you can just open that camera, take a look-see, bang bang, there you go. Right here, we'll just hit the Insert tab, Get Add-ins. All you do is type in QR, hit Enter or the search, it doesn't matter. Pick this very first one, QR for Office, on that cube. Add, continue, and how do we want it to show up? I usually go HTTPS, hit that, and we take our link, copy, Control-C, just paste it right here, and remember we've got HTTPS:// right here, so we don't want to double it up because that'll send it to the wrong place, so you just see where it's right there in the front, it's also right there. Highlight that, delete it, don't mess with anything else, and you're set. You can hit Insert and throw it in. You can also change this. I usually go error correction to high. I want it a little more detailed. I've had no errors with any of them, but I've heard that's the better way to go. You can change the size of it. Maybe I want it there. Okay. Hit Insert, and there we are. You can take that. You can even Control-C, copy it, paste it there, paste it there. Paste it there. It doesn't matter. You can paste it on new tabs. You can put it here. You can put it there. You can make it the whole screen. It does not matter. All you do is you pull this up. So we have a camera. Okay. Phone. Right there. And boom. There it is. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.